Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today we've got another packaging video. This arrived yesterday. I got it on eBay. Now for those of you that have seen my unboxing video of the Hugo Boss watch that I got on eBay, you'll know that I paid a very nice price for it. It was around about £85 I think, and that was including delivery. Now this one was slightly more. I think it was £97 including delivery, so still very cheap for a Hugo Boss watch. Now I'm hoping that this is going to be just as good quality as the one I bought previously, as it's from the same seller. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Very nicely packaged, the same as the other one arrived. Now the title of the other one that I unboxed, I called it, I can't remember exactly what I called it, but it's something like I ordered a fake Hugo Boss watch on eBay and this is what they sent me, because I still couldn't get my head around it being real, even though it had all the features of a real Hugo Boss watch. Just the price made me think that it wasn't authentic, even though, like I said, everything on the watch looks authentic. The description, the title of the listing said 100% authentic. It had over 2,000 positive feedback. People saying that they've got the watch and it's 100% real. I just couldn't get my head around the fact that I've got a Hugo Boss watch for under £100 when in the shop these retail for £300 and up. I've seen them sell for £400. I've seen them sell for £330. So between £300 and £400 these retail if you go to like a high street store. Now, a number of people commented in my other video basically saying that the reason that you can get these for such a good price online is due to lockdown and all the rest of it. When people weren't going to the high street shops and stuff like that, they had like a big backlog, and now like retail stores are trying to offload their stock so people can buy them in bulk for a lot cheaper, and therefore they can sell them a lot cheaper. So let me know in the comment section, do you think this is a real Hugo Boss watch? The box is very authentic, really nice condition, looks very legit, exactly the same as how the other one arrived. It's wrapped around this cushion. Really nice watch. So like I said, those of you that have seen my other video will see that I've got the Hugo Boss watch exactly the same as this, but it's got a black background, whereas this has got the blue background, which I think makes it really pop, looks really nice. Now you can see it's already working. I just need to set the right time. It's got this attached to it, so for those of you that wanted to get the same one, you can see that's the model number there, 1512963. So yeah, it's got everything like the other one had. It's got the instruction booklet. I won't open this on this video. I'll leave the link for the other video in the description if you want to have a look at it. But yeah, it's got everything that the authentic watches have if you was to buy them in a high street store. There's nothing that leads you to believe that this is not a legit watch apart from the price. So yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if you think this is a real Hugo Boss watch or not. It's got the logo there. It's got another logo you can't see because it's got this protective wrapper around it. Let me try and get it off so I can show you. Bear with me. Really wrapped really nice and tight to stop it from getting scratched or anything. I'm just going to pull that back so you can have a look. So it's got the logo on there as well, if you can see it, if it's going to focus. So it says Hugo Boss there. Oh, hang on a sec. There you go. So you can see it says Hugo Boss. Well, it just says Boss there. It's also got the logo on the bottom as well. So yeah, like I said, it's got everything that makes it look authentic. It's just the price that makes me think, is this a legit one or not? It's even got, I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you because I don't want to make this video too long because it's very similar to the other unboxing I did a couple of weeks ago. But let me see if I can get this off. Really nicely packaged. So it's literally got like this plastic, almost like a shrink wrap type material the whole way around the watch, just to like protect it, which is really nice, but at the same time it is a pain to get off. You can see there, look, it's all around the back there. Let me try and get it off for you. There we go. So if you can see in there, it's even got, I don't know if it's going to focus because it's very focus him, come on, there we go. So it's even got the Hugo Boss logo on the inside of the clasp as well. So yeah, all these features make me think that it's a legit watch. Like I said, it's only the price that makes me doubt whether it's legit or not. Let me know in the comment section what you think. I've had a few people on the other video ask me how to use these clasps. Now I really like these clasps because they kind of blend in with the watch, so it's hard to see where the clasp is. That's quite effective. Let me just get this last bit of plastic off and then I'll show you how it works. There we go. So how these work is when you're putting them on, you fold that bit down first, that clips on, and then you fold that bit up and that clips on. So it's really, really clever because it actually hides the join. So you know how with like traditional kind of watch straps, you can see where the join is. The only thing that gives it away is the Boss logo. Apart from that, it just flows really nicely. Now to open it, you want to push down on the logo. You kind of want to put your hand, it's really quite hard to show on here, but so you see where the logo is, this bit here is the bit that comes off. So you want to kind of put your finger behind that and the thumb on top of it and push. And that's what releases that bit. And then to release the bottom bit, you just want to use your thumb underneath there to push that to release it. So once you get the hang of it, it is fairly easy. It's easier to do when it's actually on your wrist, but obviously I can't wear it at the moment because I need to get it resized. I'll just show you what it looks like on the wrist. Looks really, really nice. Such a nice looking watch. It's not too chunky, but it's chunky enough. So I don't like my watches too small, but I don't like them too chunky either. So for me, this is the perfect size. Like I said, I need to get a few links taken out so it fits properly. But yeah, I'll just show you that clasp again in a second, just because a lot of people struggle to use these clasps. Like I said, I really like them. Once you get the hang of it, they are fairly easy. So that bit folds over, pushes down, that bit folds up, pushes down. And like I said, you literally want to kind of put where the Boss logo is, put your thumb kind of there. You can see kind of in line with it, your finger, sorry, there, and the thumb on the top one there, that joint, just push. You see how easy that is? So finger there, thumb there, push. And that's how easy it opens. And like I said, with the other one, you can just put your thumb underneath it and that gets it off. So I'll do that once more. I might even call the title of this video how to open the clasp, because there are a lot of people, like I said, that ask how to get these open. So you've got the Boss logo, this one, lower one here, put your finger under there, put Put your thumb on the top one above it, push. Simple as that. And then, like I said, thumb underneath there, like that. So yeah, like I said, let me know in the comments if you think this is a real watch, authentic. Well, obviously it's a real watch, but you know what I mean, authentic Hugo Boss watch. Really, really pleased with it. Like I said, I've got exactly the same one, just with a black background. So leave that there for a nice thumbnail. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.